this money into perspective. The wife to the late Buiza Mudasi, Madam Timuchiwa Jessica, received money to a tune of 13 million shillings through her account. And what the consideration was that she lost 5 people, including 4 children and a husband. Whereas the second wife, who is Nabire Aisha, on the same note, received money to a tune of 2 million shillings because she lost her husband. So, following today's ruling and sentence, as UPDF, we welcome this sentence because this is a very strong message that will go to our members of the institution, that respect for the rights of others is very, very much important. They are there to protect their lives and property. Once you turn your rifle onto them, this means that we shall use the law to bring you to order. And for this, as UPDF, we are really happy with our legal team and together with the members of court. For we have taken 4 days in this place because we wanted to bring justice close to the people.
Ekibonerezo kyebaweera ebiri kuvuga kirungi ino era kimutuukaana okusinziira ku kye yatukola n'ennaku gye yatulekera. Tweyanza kkooti eno tweyanziiza. Ino ku kibonerezo nsandika n'amayina gange ndeteba timudiibwa Jessica bati kulumi bwe yandekamu n'ennaku gye yandekaku okuntira omwami wange n'abaana bange n'otuleka n'ebisago nga tuli mu bulumi. Ndi musanufu ino kkooti mwebala omulimu gwe mukoze era nsiimye ino mwebalire irala.
Where A1, A2, A3 and all their own charges the same.
Era nga omuwabirwa n'ambandala bikumukolobat okuba omuwabirwa asembayo mu Jamedi omusango ogwo bali kuwabira omusango ogwo.
Count 9 to
alias Kaba, Kagaba Patrick, Moda Sharif, alias Sama Yabosko, and Mombia Medi.
Bano boona bana Robert Haberson Birivumbuka Kaba, Kagaba Patrick, Mudasi Sharif, Gomidinga Sama Yabosko, name Medi.
On 29th day of June 2024 at 21:00.
Sangwa na kumona nga bagezaako okwita Sache Helen.
This court finds that the prosecution has failed to prove all the ingredients of conspiracy to commit the felony.
Kooti eno ekizuire nti omweyi wa gavumenti alemererwa okakasa n'okuleeta ebyetaagisa omusango okuba ngwemererawo. Mwana muto wa myaka 24.
The person of humble background.
Muntu aina family oba ebyafaayo bye nga tibe bino.
And has been contributing to the country's economy by serving and conducting a business as a barber.
Era abeera ayambako yeeno okukulaakulanya eggwanga lino ng'akola business ya salooni.
Clearly, for a person of 24 years, he can still serve this country in various other capacities.
Era kyeraga bweraga nti omwana w'emyaka 24 akaina any chance esaabinga eggwanga lino oba eweereza eggwanga lino paka.
He has 2 wives.
Aina abaana oba aina abakazi 2
with 2 kids.
n'abaana 2.
He's a sole honorable chairman. I do make the prayer
nsaba
that this court in
nti kooti eno okusinza ku 7 namba 10
grants a lenient sentence.
Ewe abantu bange bano akabonerezo akatondono. State ekuja kuwayona ebyayo lwaki abantu bano tibandiweebwa kibonerezo kitono ayina ensonga dde. Etegera bulungi nti omusango guno ogw'okwekobaana okuyita
Contrary to Section 191 of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128,
ng'era ku ntaana akawayo 10 na kalala mu bitabo by'amateeka ga Uganda.
Ntuusa okusima kwange eri gavumenti ya Uganda nga nsima olwa kkooti eyaidde Buwaya. Kino ekibairewo kiraga abantu abasoga nti okutwalira amateeka mu ngalo tikimalawo nsonga, aye beege bategere ekyokola neyanziza.
Yes. Nize Kamalu Hussein, chairperson of SFC wegombere Buwaya. Agabaire kati court martial eyo omujaasi yagana kuba abe Buwaya kyembaire nsubira nekyo kyebakoze ekyokumusalira nti yena afe era nga abantu kyebaye basubira okubaawo era nkoba nti babeeki abasigere babeekyakubonerako olwokuboneka nti olwaleero okufa kubairewo nga bagavumenti amene court martial ekobye nti omujaasi yayita abantu bona bakole ki bamwete.
attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128. Count 7. Attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128. Attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128. Count 7. Attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128.
Chapter
Count 8. Attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128. Count 9. Attempted murder, which is contrary to Section 187A of the Penal Code Act, Chapter 128. This offense is of a serious nature, and there is a need to deter others from committing the same offenses. On the other hand, the court has taken into account the litigation by the defense counsel and does consider them in sentencing.
Era ebyefumitirizaku era ebiteereko eneesira webeereko ebibonerezo bino.
In the circumstances, this court considered the 4-month period spent on remand in national custody.
Era mu ngeri endala eyo kkooti eno eringirira ebbanga omuntu ono lyakamala ku rimandi ery'emyezi 4.
This court therefore sentences you,
era kkooti eno ekuwa ekibonerezo kino
RA 250302, Private erikuuma Robert Herbertson,
RA 250302, Private Robert Herbertson,
death in respect count 1.
Era nga ekibonerezo ky'oweebwa kyakufa ku musango n'ambandala. Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 2 oweebwa ekibonerezo kusibwa myaka 9.
Life imprisonment in respect to count 3.
Ku musango namba 3 oweebwa ekibonerezo okusibwa obulamu bwona bwona.
54 years imprisonment in respect to count 4.
Osibibwa okumala emyaka 5 emyaka 5 n'ena.
54 years imprisonment in respect to count 4.
Ku musango namba 4 oweebwa ekibonerezo kyakusibwa myaka 5 n'ena mu nkomera.
51 years imprisonment in respect to count 5.
Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 5 ojja kusibwa emyaka 5 na mulala.
25 years imprisonment in respect to count 6.
Ekibonerezo ku musango namba 6 ojja kusibwa emyaka 25.
25 years imprisonment in respect to count 7.
Ojja kusibwa emyaka 26 mu kibonerezo ku musango namba 7.
No, 25 years.
Myaka 25 ku musango namba 7 n'ekibonerezo ky'oweebwa yojja okusibwa.
25 years imprisonment in respect to count 8.
Ojja kusibwa emyaka 25 ku musango namba 8.
20 years imprisonment in respect to count 9.
Ojja kusibwa emyaka 2 ku musango namba 9.
Atuzira maximum prison.
Era ojja kusibwa eruzira awasinga security mu ikomera eryo erya gavumenti.
With effect from 31st October 2024, the date of conviction.
Okutandika leero luno enaku y'omwezi nga 3 ogw'Ekumi/2024 olunaku lw'osingizibwa omusango ogwo.
You have the right to appeal within 14 days from today.
Mwana muto wa myaka 24.
Is a person of a humble background.
Muntu aina family oba ebyafaayo bye nga tibe bino.
And has been contributing to the country's economy by serving and conducting a business as a barber.
Era abeera ayambako yeeno okukulaakulanya eggwanga lino ng'akola business ya saluuni.
Clearly, for a person of 24 years, he can still serve this country in various other capacities.
Era kyeraga bweraga nti omwana w'emyaka 24 akaine chance esavinga eggwanga lino oba eweereza eggwanga lino paka.
He has 2 wives.
Aina abaana oba aina abakazi 2
With 2 kids.
n'abaana 2.
He's a sole honorable chairman. I do make the prayer
Nsaba
that this court, in
nti
regards to
kkooti
this
eno
family,
okusinza ku musango namba 10
grants a lenient sentence, I guess.
ewe abantu bange bano akabonerezo akatondono. State ekujja kuwa yona ebyayo lwaki abantu bano tibandiweebwa kibonerezo kitono alina ensonga dde. Etegera bulungi nti omusango guno ogw'okwekobaana okuyita ng'era ku ntaana akawaayo 190 mu bitabo by'amateeka ga Uganda